Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Pictory AI. In order to do so, here we are at Pictory.ai. And if you're unfamiliar with Pictory, they're doing something a little bit different from other video generators. Pictory is more focused on advertising content. It's not just that, but that is its primary function, which is a little bit different from other platforms where it might be a little more geared towards entertainment. But you can see here that it is the easiest way to create professional videos for educational professionals, L&D professionals, social media managers, and enterprise teams, etc. That'll give you an idea of who it is that would most benefit from something like this. So we'll just go through the homepage here so you can see for yourself. We have text to video, create professional quality videos from your text, complete with realistic AI voices, automatically matched visuals, and music, all in just a few clicks. You can paste a URL, so you could turn any URL into a video. So if you have a home page, a product page, a blog post, something like that, then you can just bring in that URL and Pictory is going to use that to create a video. So let's go ahead and hit play on this. So you can see for yourself, bringing in that URL. And then here we go. We've created a culinary simplicity video, and then we can download that. We could transform long form videos into engaging branded clips, automatically extract highlights from your Zoom, Teams, webinar, and podcast recordings and convert them into short branded video snippets ideal for posting on social media. You can add captions for increased reach and watch time. We can turn slides into videos. So if you have a PowerPoint presentation and you want to turn that into a video, then you can upload, summarize, and customize your video instantly. Pictory is where creativity meets collaboration. Empower your team to create and collaborate, share projects, assign roles, and work together in real time to produce videos that inspire. Start making professional videos in minutes. And you can see here a little bit of how Pictory is going to look. We'll take a closer look at that in a moment. You have AI that can narrate your videos. As we can see, enter URL and we can create a video that way. We can showcase your brand. You could tailor your videos with custom logos, distinctive colors, and fonts for a fully personalized experience. GPT Video Generator. Our GPT powered tool can create a video script and automatically generate a video from your prompt. Our Video GPT makes turning your content into captivating videos simple and easy. Custom solutions for enterprises. So we've got custom plans, API integration, personalized onboarding, exceptional support, etc., etc. Again, create professional videos in minutes. Here we have a variety of features: AI voice generator, text to video generator, script to video, video clip generator, presentation video maker, AI video maker, music video generator, training video generator, AI YouTube shorts generator, etc., etc. Pictory has a lot of different options here. So it's not just advertisement type stuff. We also have music video functionality and subtitle creator, so that might be useful. So there's a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of stuff here to try out with Pictory. Who uses Pictory? Marketing agencies, YouTube creators, content marketers, learning and development professionals, education professionals, business professionals, organizations, course creators, content creators, digital marketers. You can use video templates, social media managers, enterprise content teams, coaches. So if you fall into any of those categories, you might want to take a look at Pictory. What kind of features? We've already kind of looked at all of those, and Pictory is quite full featured, has a lot of different options. We've got tutorials that we can go through in order to improve our results. Here we have enterprise, we have business videos, corporate video maker, business video maker, product video maker, promo video maker, video presentation maker, So there's a lot of really cool stuff here to play around. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So our basic subscription starts at $19 per month. You can get a free trial, which I have done. And you have a few things to play around with. So in the starter version, you get up to 200 minutes of video, 2 million royalty-free videos with story blocks, 1 brand kit, unlimited voices in 7 languages, no watermark, and basic AI tools. You can look through here to see exactly the difference between the different subscriptions. We've got our frequently asked questions. Let's go ahead and go take a look at Pictory. So here we are in Pictory, and you could see we have recent projects. They have some demo projects here to get you started. Get started with video, with script to video. Get started with article to video. Get started with edit videos using AI. Get started with PPT to video, so PowerPoint. You've got some tutorials. You've got some tips and tricks. We could see here that our 14-day trial is activated. So if you want to try it out, go to Pictory and you get 14 days to play around with it and try different things. You could join our free user group for hot tips on video creation, features update, special offers, and more. Let's go ahead and we can create a team. So if you want to collaborate with the team, you can do that. We have our different options here: text to video, URL to video, AI video editor, images to video, PowerPoint to video, record. With record, you can record yourself or your screen and easily edit that video using text, add captions and branding, remove filler words and silences, and generate dozens of short highlight clips. So that's pretty cool for any content creators out there. That sounds like a pretty convenient way of going about editing and just adding that extra level of shine. And let's go ahead and select text to video here. So we could see that we can enter our video name. We can start typing here, or we can paste our script. And let's see here. We'll just say test, and we'll also put in test. So now we can see the button here that says proceed has lit up. So obviously we could spend more time entering more details in there, but that's just to show you once you're ready to go, then you can click on proceed and Pictory will begin to take your text and turn it into a video. URL to video. So all you have to do is enter in a URL and that will generate a video from that. AI video editor. So you can drag and drop a file here and then click upload, and Pictory will automatically edit your video and again add that extra level of shine. Let's head back up to, we're on this page now, so I'm not sure why it brought us back to that. Oh, well, there we go. Images to video. So we could just drag and drop our images into here and we can proceed from there. We could bring in our PowerPoint, and of course we could do the record as well. So that gives you an idea of everything that Pictory is capable of. And again, it's a little bit different from other video generators. It's more focused on promotional content, advertising, marketing, things of that sort. But there's a few other things in there that you can play with as well. But that's its primary function. Again, starts at $19 at the basic subscription, but there is a free trial. So ultimately, I would say that Pictory is doing some interesting stuff, and I would recommend that you check it out if that is something that you think fits your needs. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.